Hello friend, in my last video of Selenium testing I showed you how I can capture the title of a website. In this video I will be going for login, and that would be done by Selenium. Over here you can see there is a login option, and I can click on this button and the login would take place. But how about it's been done through Selenium? So I will not give any input over here. So let me remove everything. There will be no input over here, but I've written a Selenium code over here which I will run, and eventually the login would take place. So this Selenium code is actually associated with this particular web page, and as I execute the code it would perform the login operation. So let's go and check it out. So let me right click on this, go to new and Java application, and here it is asking me to enter the email ID. That means it is asking me to enter this particular email ID, which you can see right over here, and here I will have the password as well. So it is asking me to enter that. So let me give the correct email ID. So swaroop@gmail.com. so this is my correct email ID. As I hit the enter, it will ask me to enter the password, and let me give the correct password, that is swaroop@shaha. As I hit the enter, what will happen? Well, Selenium is going to open a Chrome browser. See over here I have got a Chrome driver. So this Chrome driver would get enabled, and automatically, well, inside this I have written a script which I am not showing right now for security reason, and that script will get executed, and this input will be supplied to exactly to this text box automatically, and very fast the login would take place immediately. So let me hit the enter now. Please check out what is going to happen right now. As I hit the enter, you can see the Chrome browser got enabled and the login has taken place so successfully. Could you figure out? It has done so fast. You can see hello Swaroop has been shown over here. Again I'm going for logout. So again I'm closing this one. I want to show you once more what happened. So go, and over here I got a message that login has been successful. Okay, this time what I will do is intentionally I will give a wrong credential and see what happened this time. So again let's run the code. It is asking me to enter the email ID, so I go with swaroop@gmail.com, and I would not give the correct password of mine, so I will give swaroop@shaha. One extra A I will give, and then I hit the enter. So the first thing what will happen is it would open the browser, Chrome browser, and not only that, it will open the specific route where the login has been done. So that route would get open, and then this would be provided to the email ID text box, and this will be provided to the password text box. Let me show you that. I hit the enter now. See, the Chrome browser gets enabled, and even it's been redirected into that specific page, that means this particular route. So this route, it has been redirected, this login route. Okay, I have cut short the URL from the top. I'm not showing you the specific URL right now because more work is going on. So as you can see over here, this input is actually coming from this particular, or better to say, this input has been provided by Selenium. As you can see over here, what is the password length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's check out over here. The same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's what exact password you can see. Well, one more thing I can do it. I can reduce the password, and then you can understand. So let me close this browser tab, and let me run the program once again. And this time what I will do, I will give a smaller password, or even I will change my email ID. So I will say raj@gmail.com, which is not actually a valid email ID, and I will write just password ABCD, just 4-letter password, and I hit the enter. You will see that inside the Chrome, this particular email ID is provided. See, raj@gmail.com is provided, and since this is an invalid email ID, or a password is also invalid, so it says login failed, incorrect email and password. See, a number of characters in the password is 4, and here also you're getting 4 password characters are only there. So that means with the help of Selenium, the redirection is taking place to the specific page where I have mentioned in my code, and in this particular text box. So my Selenium has able to figure out the respective email ID where the email what I have given as input, that has been put forward, and the password which I have given has been put forward, and then the request is going to the server, and server is validating. That means the server over here is Node.js. It is validating that the required email ID and the password is invalid, and eventually I'm getting this particular message, login failed. So before we wrap up this particular video, I would go for one more execution where I will provide the correct email ID and correct password this time, and I will see that the redirection takes successfully. So here I'm going for the correct email ID, that is swaroop@gmail.com, and I hit the password, that is swarup@SAHA, and I hit the enter. This time these two credentials will be provided and the login will take successfully, and I will be redirected to dashboard, and I can see the content of dashboard. Here it comes, the input is been given so fast and the login has been successful, as you can see over here, and I'm redirected into my dashboard where I can see the logout option, and you can see the username right over here. So that shows that the login has been successful because the credential was been provided successfully, and that's how Selenium is working, where through the help of Java Selenium the input has been given to the React application, and that's how the testing has been done. Okay, so from this video this much I wanted to show you, and my next video what I will I will be going for the sign up. How about going and creating a new user with the help of Selenium? That would be the content of my next video. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye, take care.